Office of profit. So what is office of profit? The expression office of profit has not been defined in the Constitution or in the Representation of People Act 1951. The courts have, however, laid down certain tests to determine as to which office is an office of profit. So why courts have laid down certain tests? Because in case a member of parliament challenges his disqualification in the court, so courts have laid down certain tests. And why is that? Because the object to this provision is to secure the independence of the member of parliament from the benefits of the executive, which may be under influence, and there may be conflict between the duty and self-interest among the members of parliament, right? So in case of Jaya Bachchan versus Union of India, the Parliament Prevention of Disqualification Act did not exempt the uh, said office of profit from disqualification under Article 102, Clause 1, Subclause A of the Indian Constitution. So Jaya Bachchan was a member of Rajya Sabha and was appointed as chairperson of the Film Development Council, right? So in case of central legislation, union legislation, Article 102, Clause 1, Subclause A deals with office of profit, which says a person shall, Article 102, Clause 1, a person shall be disqualified for being chosen as and for being a member of either House of Parliament, Subclause A, if he holds any office of profit under the Government of India or the government of any state other than an office declared by Parliament by law, not to disqualify its holder. So other than office declared by Parliament by law. So Parliament has enacted a law which is the Parliament Prevention of Disqualification Act, right? 1959, I think. So, and in case of state legislation, which articles deal with office of profit? It is Article 191. Article 191 deals with this disqualification, right? So now let's read what are those five tests. So the office of profit must be under the central or any state governments. For deciding this, there are five tests. So you can pause the video and note it down. So first test is whether the government has power of appointment, whether government has the right to remove. Second point is second test is whether the government has the right to remove or dismiss the holder of the office. Third test is whether the government pays the remuneration, right? In case of Jaya Bachchan, it was the matter of remuneration, right? So what all comes under remuneration or not? The Supreme Court decided that in addition to daily allowance, in the nature of compensatory allowance, rent-free accommodation and driver-driven car at the state expense are clearly in the nature of remuneration and a source of pecuniary gain, and hence constitute office of profit. This was held in the Supreme Jaya Bachchan case by the Supreme Court, right? The fourth test is whether the functions which the holder performs are for government. The fifth test is whether the government exercises control over the performance of those functions, right? So these are 5 tests. You can note it down. Just pause the video and read it. Now let's look at the literal word meanings of those things. The word office necessarily implies that there be an existence of office apart from the person who holds it, right? The profit means pecuniary gain or material gain. Profit must be received by way of salary or remuneration, not as compensatory allowance or honorarium, which is meant for meeting his daily expenses. So to enable him to discharge his function, right? So I will mention the link in the description of the Parliament Prevention of Disqualification Act, where which offices are exempted is mentioned in that act. So you can refer to that act. Now let's see whose decision is final on disqualification, right? So disqualification, you can refer to Lakshmikant, right? So disqualification on grounds of what? On grounds provided in the Constitution of India, like 102. So Article 102 and Article 191, 191, right? In case of a state legislation, 191, and in case of union legislation, 102. Or the second, disqualification on grounds mentioned in the Representation of People's Act, 151. And third is disqualification on ground of defection, right? So in case of first and second, that is the disqualification mentioned in the Constitution of India and Representation of People Act 1951, 1951. So it's the president whose decision is final. However, he could obtain the opinion. Article, you can refer to Article 103, 103, which says president to obtain opinion of the election commission and act accordingly, right? Article 103 says before giving any decision, let me read Article 103 for you. Article 103 clause 2 says before giving any decision on any such question, the president shall obtain the opinion of the election commission and shall act accordingly to such opinion. And Article 103 clause 1 says if any question arises as to whether a member of either House of Parliament has become subject to any of the disqualification mentioned in Article 102 clause 1, the question shall be referred for the decision of the president and his decision shall be final, right? So in case of uh, disqualification on mentioned in the Constitution of India and Representation of People Act 1951, it's the president whose decision is final. But in case of on ground of defection, disqualification on ground of defection, it's the chairman of Raj Sabha and speaker of Lok Sabha. So in case member is of Raj Sabha and in case member is from Lok Sabha, then chairman of Raj Sabha will decide and speaker of Lok Sabha will decide the disqualification criteria, right? And their decision is final. So chairman of Raj Sabha and speaker of Lok Sabha will decide disqualification of the member on ground of defection whose decision is final, but their decision is subject to judicial review, right? It can be challenged. Now, what all articles we have referred here: Article 102, Article 199, 191, Article 103, and Representation of People's Act 1951, and the Parliament Prevention of Disqualification Act. So you can go through it. This is so this video ends here, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you guys.